TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials right now up 34. Nasdaq's up 20. S&Ps are up 5.5. Gold contracts trading down $1 at $12.82 an ounce. We have silver flat $18.07 an ounce. Platinum is up $9, $9.76 an ounce. Copper is flat at $2.53 a pound. Light sweet crude that got toasted yesterday, that's trading $50.33 a barrel. Notes. 10-year note down 8 ticks, 126.01. 30-year bond down 17 ticks, 154.07. Both notes and bonds, folks, went lower yesterday, had much lighter volume, have lighter volume today. I expect you're going to see a rejection of lower price out here, both in the 10 and the 30 today. King dollar down 228 ticks. You're trading at 99.405. King dollar's going after a lower swing point. It's going to need more volume in order to sustain lower price. But bottom line is, get the lower price going right now. The euro is trading at 107 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 109 to the U.S. dollar. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. What you have is this, is that you have the S&Ps, the NASDAQ. They both retested the highs of yesterday. The S&P is a lot weaker. Didn't even get near it, actually. I expect you're up 650 right now. You'll see this selling pressure start to come in the marketplace. We popped up to the 2342. Right now, you're at 2340. More importantly, though, the Qs. The NDX 100 yesterday, folks, failed to hold price. It come up, it tested the highs out here again this morning, and thus far, it's not holding price either. It looks to me like the NDX 100 is going to lead the baby down. We're at 54.17 right now. This looks like it's going to run down to the 53.90 mark. Dow Industrials has been the weakest index out there. Bottom line, Dow just can't catch a break. Dow right now is up by $44, trading out at a price point of $20,449. Now, the Dow is way below its benchmark. The benchmark we're talking about is $20,653. That was the low of the 21st of March. And that's where that downdraft started, and there's big sellers up at that area. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract trading at 1283.30. This baby just refuses to back down. Bottom line is that, you know, they had it going yesterday, got down to a price point of 1275, end up closing out at 1283. You're at 1283. This is still building cause for higher price. And notes, the 10-year note, folks. What do we do yesterday? You back down with light volume. We have light volume today. The way that the 10-year note is trading intraday right now, as well as the 30-year, the 10-year and the 30-year look like they're going to go topside. The 10-year hit a low today of 125.29. We're at 126.02, and this baby, when this went up right at that 9:50 hour, this thing looks like it wants to bust up into the 126.11, as does the 30-year. 30-year intraday out here got to 153.28, and you're at 154.10 right now, and there's still buyers. That's the bottom line. They're buyers. They're daily buyers. They're intraday buyers. All of the above. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar, folks, trading down at 99.390. And what you have is this. We'll see whether we get the volume in King dollar. Right now, King dollar's done 9,700 contracts, which is pretty good volume, okay? Bottom line, it's going to need more than 26,000 contracts to really be down with conviction. You know, it's below the swing point of Tuesday right now. It's going after the lows that were established out here the 27th, and I do expect that we're going to actually hit those. The top of that level is 99.335. Right now, we got to 99.290. It's bouncing off that. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking it right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.